What up, it's your boy Mikey Will here with another video, you feel me? Yeah, my homeboy actually just got a nice new Sur-Ron. And if you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button. Oh. Yo, what up? Good, good. Yeah. You. Buttery. I like it. It's so fresh. Yeah. Definitely need to try. This thing is minty though. Yeah.
What one do you want to take?
I was like, hey, I recognize that camera.
I'm gonna be giving it back to you probably today.
But yeah, we're going on a little dirt ride. Well, I don't know where we're going, to be honest. We're just getting out there. So, yeah, that's stock. This is, what is the 140? Yes, it is.
140.
And then the 72 volt Sur-Ron. You guys already know. Yo! Let's go out on the runs. This is insane. Yo, let's hit this left. Recording or is it frozen?
It's showing a red rate.
Ah. What's it show now?
Still a red at the moment.
Oh. Oh, there's a car coming. I don't know what's up with that. Let's slide. Yeah, I'm just gonna go this way. Let's go, gang. Yeah, let's go around the building. Not playing that game. Oh! Oh no! That's what I'm hearing. That's what's making that noise. Yeah, there's no one here. That was weird. He came right up to us.
Like crazy. Yeah. Might be hiding from a hit and run.
What, you're giving your brakes or something?
Nah, my brake line was rubbing on my tire. That's what I was hearing. I'm like, we need that.
It's just so comfy and just we're riding.
See, these things are good for what they're good for, but pit bikes, man, those things are so big and comfy and so
yeah, they're comfy. My butt cheeks hurt after an hour on this thing. Oh! I lost where I was for a second. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, no. We're actually taking this thing to the streets and the dirt, and unfortunately the leaves, and we're just gonna hit our local track, see what this thing can do, because I mean I know what mine can do. This is actually Scott's first time on a Sur-Ron other than mine, and Scott and Dana, I'm sorry, because they actually split it, because they split both of those bikes together, which is like sick. That's like a dope idea. So you get like two bikes, price of one. But yeah. I went in. Super fun time. We're out here just ripping, you know what I'm saying? And like, what's even crazy is they only really hear is one dirt bike out there. They don't hear the 2 vacuum cleaners in the back. Now I'm talking about the Sur-Rons. They're not vacuum cleaners. You guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, a little jump session, a little bit of some tight turns and stuff. Oh. But yeah, this is our local track. I don't know if you guys probably seen some of it in some of our other videos and stuff like that. I've been riding it for years. It's super nice now. Like it looks like some local kids maintaining it, because I guess it's not even so local anymore. Because if it's this nice, all the tracks are open. There's no spider webs hitting you in the face and stuff like that. It's nothing. There's like actual ruts and stuff. It's pretty cool. Yep, then we got Scott back on the Sur-Ron and stuff like that, but he's on the dirt. And I couldn't imagine him with like a 72 volts setup. I keep telling him just go for it, because it's gonna want it anyway. It's literally night and day, guys. It's literally night and day, and everyone says the same thing. And they're like, oh, but you can cut the wire and bypass it. I'm like, it's just not the same. When you like, you'll see like, when Scott tries the wheelie at like, let's say 15-20 miles an hour, it's very hard for that bike to come up without like a little bit of compression from the forks and a great body position plus crazy feeling of the throttle to get that thing up there. But like on the 72, you can power wheelie if you even wanted to. I don't recommend that, but you can power wheelie. And it's cool that you have so much power to even like drift turns and stuff like that on like the rear, if you're obviously holding the rear brake and like twisting the throttle and stuff like that. But yes sir, now we're back on with Dana follow cam, and she rips. I don't want anyone thinking that just because she's a girl and like that. I'm like, nah, she has a ours. I don't even know what she has. It's a street bike. It's super nice, super quick. I think she was in another video not too long ago with us, but I can't remember. I actually just roosted her so bad with mud. I felt terrible. And Dana, I'm sorry if you're watching this. I'm sorry. I played myself. I did not realize I would kick up that much mud, because I got you completely just roosted up with the brown tartar sauce. You know what I'm saying? Brown tartar sauce. Yes sir, getting the wheelies through the woods.
Whew. Something's weird with this track right now. Like, it's carved out a lot more than it should be.
This thing's a fucking blast. I feel like I could go way faster on it.
You just gotta figure out where it's like the motor's constantly hitting where you're not sketch.
Yeah.
It's just like once you let go, it like lurks you forward. It's so crazy.
This track
Mike got me good.
Yeah, I got it pretty bad. Like I got all squirrely, and then she was the result.
It's weird because like these lines are burnt in right now, and they're covered in grass.
Yeah.
And like this right here, this was an old jump. Like there's a takeoff.
Yeah.
Land up on that landing. That's been buried for like 10 years. Now it's open. There's a
I saw it. Yeah.
I'm like, so who
Who's
knows?
riding?
The little one, Joe. The little OG. Sometimes I see a couple kids onto like big bikes back here.
I was gonna say like they
That's
found
good.
that in the woods and they cleared it out. I guess like because that's an old jump from like when I was a kid.
Yeah, I remember that thing. I never went off it back then because I was a little squirt, but now it's so different. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
This is so nuts.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Scott and Dana actually have the 2023 Sur-Ron.
Baby.
Looks exactly like 2022. Couple of differences. Watch some of the other reviews. I'm not trying to really get into a 2023 versus 2022 comparison because I haven't ridden a stock Sur-Ron in since March. I don't ride this. After going 7.2, I just will not go back. It's such a great decision, and as you guys can see, we're just having a blast. A lot of stuff's a little bit overgrown because I don't think people are really riding too much in ancient cut through in like the late summerish time, because I know I was, and I was going on rides. Like I know these guys were with me on the Kentucky ride, and I've been to other bunch of rides since then. And just haven't really been back here. Let's go! It's still here. That stupid brake line, man. I gotta zip tie that thing right. I played myself. Yeah.
I'm already at 65. It goes down pretty fast.
It's cold, that's why.
So
And-
when it rains,
Yes, you can ride your run in the rain. Even me, my 72, I've ridden in the rain plenty of times. Went through big, deep puddles. I got on YouTube. And some of the videos, some of the put some stank on it videos. You guys should definitely check out that series, you know what I'm saying? Put some stank on it, you feel me? Just like I put some stank on it, yeah. I didn't want to mess up the clips because I know they're trying to get cool little jump clips, you feel me? But it's not bad for some first days on the ride, you know what I'm saying? Like both naturals. And then we took it to the streets. And then me, you know, just doing stuff. Doing 72 volt stuff. Come on, man. But then I realized like a 60 volt can't really keep up with like a 72 volt the way like that dirt bike probably could. That 140L. That bike also is cheat code. I know you guys see that in those videos on the internet, on Instagram and TikTok. That's the bike. That's cheat code bike for the bike for the wheelies. Especially the big wheel one. The little wheel one, I don't know. The balance point probably like weird. Unless you're rocking like a big sprocket. I don't know. That's not for me. I'm not gonna get into all the sprockets and gearing for those. Sure. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yoo! Yeah. GoPro kept dying. Unfortunately, it's the end of the session. Peace.
Later, man.
Peace. It's been a good time. Enjoy the ride. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Got more content coming soon. Peace.